Hello, today we're gonna make a nice, quick, easy breakfast. We're gonna make some little egg bites. We've got our eggs, we've got different toppings and sides for them. Cheese, tomato, some bell peppers, some spinach, bacon bits, prosciutto, all sorts of good stuff. What's nice is this is quick, easy. You can make it one day, have it for the next couple of days, 3 to 4 days. It will keep in the fridge and all that. So start off with, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. While that's heating, we're gonna take some non-stick cooking spray and generously spray a little muffin tin. And now we're just gonna fill it up with our sides. We've got some greens here, some baby spinach. And what's really fun with these is you can kind of put whatever you want on them, make them however you want. You can mix it up so you have a little bit one day of something, a little bit of something else the next day, so you don't have to have 12 of the same one here. So we're gonna have greens in most of ours. And some tomatoes. Just Roma tomatoes diced up, nothing too fancy. Just nice small bites. Remember, these are kind of like a cupcake size. Add some bell peppers as well. A little bit of variety into some of them. Some bacon bits. A little bit of protein in there. And you can also cook your own bacon, slice it up, use some pre-made bacon bits, crumble your own, whatever works for you. Even some prosciutto, if that's what you like. And of course, some cheese. Today we're going with a cheddar cheese. Nice sharp cheddar, give it some more flavor. Now that we have our toppings in there, we're gonna add in the egg. For this, I've used about 7 eggs, added a quarter of a cup of milk, some salt and pepper to taste, whisked it all together. What I'm just gonna do is take whatever you have. In this case, I have a ladle. We're just going to fill it up most of the way into each of the little cupcake things. I'm just gonna go back, top them off if you need a little bit. When the eggs cook, it'll rise a little bit, so it doesn't have to be all the way full. All right, now that we have our egg bites, we're gonna go put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so at 350. We'll check on it at around 20 and maybe it needs another minute or two. All right, it's been 20 minutes, we're gonna take a quick look at them. So we open them, you can see they're still cooking a little bit. They haven't started to brown on the top or anything like that. You can still kind of see they're a little bit watery. The egg mixture isn't quite done. So I can give them another, 3-5 minutes. We'll check back on them in a moment. All right, it's been about 25-28 minutes. We had to put it a little bit longer, but as you can see now, they're starting to come to a nice brown on top. They're clearly done. You're not seeing any more liquid on them, so we're gonna take them out. After about 5-10 minutes of letting them cool or so, you can remove them. It's a little bit tricky, but if you sprayed lots of PAM or other non-stick spray, it shouldn't be too hard. You can take a plastic utensil, such as a knife here, or spatula. Mine's a bit too big for this, so I ended up going with the knife. And then just kind of make your way around slowly, and then use a spoon here to kind of scoop it out. Be nice and solidified, and set it there. And there we have it. You've got your little egg bites. These will stay in the fridge, about 3-4 days, so you can make a bunch ahead, 12 or so, and then have them throughout the week. You don't have to have them all at once. If you're gonna reheat them after they've been in the fridge, maybe try 1 minute, 2 minutes in the microwave, see how they do, maybe add some more time. Always add time because you can't really subtract it, but overall, I'd say they turned out pretty nicely. Yummy.